Oh, Egypt, what an incredible place. From its friendly people to the most picturesque landscape and sunsets. It has the world's most fascinating history and monuments. But there was something that we were not prepared for. Food. It blew our minds away, and here's our total favorite foods from this astonishing country. Hello. Alright, can I have this one, please? The parrot fish, and this one. Being Portuguese, I love fish, and in Egypt, they really take advantage of the Mediterranean and the Red Sea. In this restaurant, you choose your fish and they prepare it right in front of you. Spices? Fancy some fish? Tap, 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 tap. This is the parrot fish, and this is unnamed fish.
I don't know what it is. It looked good to me.
Tahini sauce. Okay, so you want to see the food scene here in Egypt? Say no more.
One thing that surprised us is that when you order your food, it always comes with bread, rice, tahini sauce and salad at no extra cost. And now, are you ready to know the price of this meal of fish? 20 Egyptian pounds, that's right. Here you definitely eat like a king.
So soft.
Moving on to the next one. It looks good already, right?
Lunch is served. So what are we having?
We're having tagine, Egyptian tagine. I'm having shakshuka and you're having moussaka.
It's vegetarian, both of them?
Yes, served with rice and I'll guess this is
Some kind of noodle.
some kind of pasta or wheat pasta. And then rice and then obviously a little bit of salad on the side. Oh, let's dig in. This smells amazingly. Oh, interesting.
Wow.
Guess it's cooked with egg. Looks like it. Let me try. It's really good. It's peppers, tomato. What else? Tomato, peppers, onions. There's a lot of flavors here. Fun fact about bread. Do you want to say the fun fact about bread?
It was invented by the Egyptians many centuries ago.
So this bread, it's been around for a while now.
Maybe
More
like
than 4,000 years?
maybe 5, maybe 6, who knows?
Long time. So we're having original bread. This is bread. Okay, now you try yours. Yours smells even better than mine, I reckon. Because there's aubergine on it and I love aubergine.
And there's a lot of vegetables. You've got as well some peppers, some onions, some tomatoes, aubergine.
Funny that I can't taste much of the egg on mine, but I can see it. Yours doesn't have egg, does it?
No. Bit of rice with that pasta or noodles. I don't know.
I think it's like some wheat.
I guess it's like a casserole.
Oh,
Similar.
yeah, like a casserole, but cooked on charcoal.
Cooked on charcoal with an eye of view. Egyptian food has gone
Yeah.
above our expectations.
Yeah, it has blown
Delicious.
our minds, and it's really, really good. And look at this. Okay, I know what you're thinking. This is a dessert, but it isn't. Yeah. João got called to give them a helping hand.
عمل عيش احسن منك يا مصطفى ربيع. بقالنا سنه عم نعلم فيه بص.
It's quite alright, no?
It's okay. And this is how it's done. The guy added some cheese, and now it's the weird part. Chicken with crepe? I guess this is a thing.
Alright. So we've got a crepe with chicken and cheese.
And it's very heavy.
Portions here in Egypt are always massive.
My face for comparison.
This feels a bit weird, like having a crepe. Normally we have it with something sweet back in Europe, but here they have it with chicken.
They wrap it very well.
There's just two guys passing, rolling some bottle gas. You only got a bit of the cheese.
It's good.
Is the crepe sweet?
No,
It's not sweet.
tastes like pizza dough, almost.
That's nice.
Like much thinner.
Thank you. And my food has arrived. Kushari. Look at this. Okay, I'm gonna have probably Egypt's favorite dish. This is called kushari. We've got some chickpeas, some pasta, macaroni, some crispy onions, lentil, rice also.
Yeah, I can see a bit of the rice here.
Yeah. And then you're supposed to pour some tomato sauce on top and then mix everything up.
You can put as little or as much as you want on the tomato sauce. I usually just put half of it.
And you just mix everything.
And I just want to point out that this is a small size.
You eat like a pharaoh here in Egypt. Your crepe is massive, this is massive. And also, you've got a bit of spiciness. You can add a bit. This is very spicy. But I like spicy food. I know this doesn't look that good, but trust me, it is.
This reminds me of like food that we would probably have as teenagers after like a night out or something. Because it's easy food to make.
It's like leftovers.
Yeah.
Mixed everything in a
Mix
bowl.
of yeah.
I really like this. This is one of my favorites. It's a simple dish. This is vegetarian. So if you are vegetarian, Egypt is a great country. You got the falafels, the kochari. You are in heaven. There's so much going on in this plate. There's not a lot of rice, but there is. There is some. Do you think this looks good?
So for me, I don't go too much for the looks of the food. I go more for like the flavors, and I kind of like it. I wouldn't have it every day, but I would have it like once a week or something.
Yeah, this is.
It's not like you love it. It's not like my favorite. Thank you.
Other must-try foods is the Egyptian falafel made with fava beans, and the bean paste and the aubergine. Chicken is widely available for you chicken lovers.
Oh, and I almost forgot, you must try sugarcane juice and doom. If you have never heard of this fruit, click in the link above as we have a video on that.
Alright, we left the best for last. The king of Egypt's food has to be the stuffed pigeon. It is a must try. You will love it. It's nothing like you ever had before. You can tell how much I loved it.
Okay, my peeps, with all of this food, we are now extremely hungry, so we'll have to munch on something now. Hope you will too. And see you guys in the next one. Peace!